Royal Play Equipments completed a safe and colorful soft play installation at Antariksh Avenue, Surat, creating a fun and child-friendly indoor play zone. This play space is thoughtfully designed for today's kids and today's lifestyle. A soft, colorful, and completely child-friendly environment where kids can move freely, play confidently, and enjoy every moment without screens. Every corner is planned to support active play, creativity, balance, and social interaction in a safe and comfortable setting. The cushioned flooring and well-designed layout make it a stress-free zone for parents and a happy place for kids. Clean finishing, premium materials, and a modern indoor vibe come together to create a play area that truly stands out. If you're planning to build a safe, fun, and future-ready play zone for your space, order from Royal Play Equipments today, because quality play starts with the right choice.